Today I'm going to show you how to enhance colors in a brilliant way by using saturation masks. With the background layer selected, press Ctrl or Command J to make a copy. I'm going to call this layer HSL, Hue, Saturation, and Lightness. Now go up to the filter menu, to Other, to HSB, HSL. Click on that. I'm going to click on HSL, Hue, Saturation, and Lightness, and click OK. And now that's going to create an image that's separated hue, saturation, and lightness into channels. And it's the green channel that's going to represent the saturation. I'm going to click on the Channels tab. The green channel contains the saturation information. If I want to select the saturation of this image, then I can hold down Control on Windows, Command on the Mac, and click on the channel thumbnail to load the most saturated areas of this photo as a selection. Then I'll click on RGB and go back into the layers panel, and now I can disable the HSL layer, go back into my background layer, and then I can create a hue and saturation adjustment layer, and the selection will become part of the layer mask of that adjustment layer. So now I'm targeting the saturated colors of this image. If I increase the saturation, you'll notice that I'll saturate the image, but I'm protecting the colors that were not highly saturated. So let me hold Shift and then click on Layer Mask to disable it. Notice the difference. This is how the regular hue and saturation adjustment layer will target the image. It obviously oversaturates the image. I'll hold Shift and click again to show you what it looks like with the layer mask. If I hold Alt or Option and click on the layer mask thumbnail, you see what the mask looks like. So anything that is bright is being saturated because those were the saturated areas of the image. Anything that is black has no saturation applied from the hue and saturation adjustment layer. I'll hold Alt on Windows, Option on the Mac, and click on the layer mask thumbnail to bring back the original image. Now I'll click on the hue and saturation adjustment layer thumbnail, and now you can adjust the saturation according to your image. And the advantage of using this as a layer mask is that you can also paint with black on areas that you do not want a lot of saturation in. If this tutorial was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future Photoshop tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Remember, it's never too late to learn. Thanks for watching.